Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 7C and let me show you how to remove and then add a Google account to this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and now let's scroll and find the users and accounts. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account. So in order to remove it, simply tap on it and click on Remove Account. Click on Remove Account again. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. In order to add new one, just tap on Add Account. Here we have to tap on Google. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source because it is required. Okay, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Okay, let's tap on Next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and tap on Next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to read it, just tap on it, choose the one you want to check, and as you can see here, we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so let's tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Honor 7C. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.